Miranda Suarez must check on your boat to Cuba, but not check off. And him send the screenshot to Siva. Why would I do that?
Think about it. Daily was Miranda's link out here. So him just put Siva for work with Miranda. So Siva can learn all the trades where she know. Get back to him.
And because, obviously, him want to take over the business and sending Siva as an infiltrator.
Obviously, them learn the tricks of the trade, get feelings them, and get rid of her. I eat that, you know? But hold on there. Who would you see over the cemetery? Miranda don't be with you, see? Be the tell you.
Alright. So with theory right. Them that get rid of her in a Cuban waters. How should I reach a Jamaica?
Whisper. Remember a wicked gal, you know? And wicked people in the race.
Tonian, you know, say you're absolutely right, you know.
So bossy, you gonna run with the dopey story?
No, not with the dopey story part.
Oh, you lead her on, you know.
She right when she say this is confusing. Because if daily them get rid of Miranda, who nice he been talking to? Who nice he been a message?
Siva did respond to the message.
Yep. Him say, that mean me back on the grid again?
Tonian, was that the same time him surface when we couldn't locate him?
Yes, it was. And immediately after that, he was ordered to infiltrate Marcus.
Bossy, I think we have enough so we can go for them.
Yeah, we have enough. But one thing you forget. How do we explain getting this information?
If we can't do it, why wouldn't I get our police link them and make them deal with it?
And how them come by it again?
I don't think that is a good idea. Because our link them are low ranking officers. And the high ranking officers, the ministers have them.
We have to play the same chess game like them. We have to catch them hand pan it. We have to either infiltrate them or set traps.
Me feel say, if Miranda is alive and operational, we can use her to get to daily.
And this is why we're going to set the bait them and see what we catch. Just as Pop said.
See, you check out the institution for Mr. Mullins and find out who are the board directors.
Yep. Daly is one of the board governors, but it's in a fine print.
That's where Daily have Siva.
I think if we put surveillance on daily, just track where him go, that should lead me to Siva.
That's a perfect idea, Whisper. We must can find somebody who have an inside link.
Well, we'll put surveillance on him. And me save this for the... Well, I don't know if it's the best or the worst, but me save it for last.
Me not like how they sound.
When you're ready? Alright, the surveillance sketch Daly at Marcus' house twice. The second time Daly got there, before him get there, guess who arrived?
See, and a regular time now, you know.
Numbers left Marcus' house 2 hours before Daly arrived.
Numbers? How numbers drop in that equation here? And where do I leave Marcus' house?
And if that is not the icing on the cake, guess who arrived with Daly? Audrey Mullins.
Ahora que hagamos ustedes. Que ya tiene. Well, move the name, my dog. I want damn move the name. You idiot, you. Brother, you say the place I run. You them joke you run. Oh, with the book. So, I want a Jaffa. I want really a Jaffa a while ago. And you can't run to the brother. One doctor when I know how to frighten. Come like them, man, you feed from breadfruit. And then, what do you start? Hold on. So, you want them to move? I'm doing the breadfruit soldier. New nigga, where you get car from? You going like a fright. Yeah, this a man, yeah. Bad man. I sure I bring go down on the country road, they go deal with something and just a forward back. You see me? So you pull up on man, sir. You know rental too. You know you could have done a strain a while ago. With what? Come like a rice. Are you strain in your house you attack? Like a rice you go see. You wonder when the youth you go change. A be a madness the brother you go on with you know. Alright. We could talk about some serious thing you know, my dog. So you know, so we get a one link down in our country there.